When was the last time you cleaned out your fridge? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, I'm going to show you how a quick fridge cleanup can save you big bucks and make meal planning a breeze. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This week I spent a total of $49.66 to feed 2 people, which breaks down to $24.83 per person. Not bad, right? But let's dive into why cleaning out your fridge before heading to the grocery store is a great idea for saving money. Our garden has been so productive lately that it's thrown off my routine a bit. Ever been there? Most of us have at some time. At the store, I picked up a few essentials, snagged some fruit on sale, and yes, I even got some ice cream because my husband really wanted it. Follow along with me and we will take a look into what is in my fridge. First up, we have the cheese drawer. I've got a lot of cheese that will be perfect for grilled cheese sandwiches made with some fresh homemade bread. Next shelf, we've got yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, a strawberry rhubarb crisp, fresh peas from the garden, and 1 egg. I definitely need to add eggs to my shopping list. I'm thinking maybe egg salad sandwiches with the hard-boiled eggs. I've also got some frozen pie crust and frozen chicken, so a pot pie with the shelled peas and some potatoes we just harvested sounds like a really good idea. The cantaloupe and raspberries will be great for breakfast, and hummus will be good with veggies or bread for lunch. All right, let's dig into the bottom shelf. It's like the treasure chest of our fridge, full of surprises. We've got a mix of goodies down here. Leftover baked beans, some potatoes, and a bit of grilled food from last night's dinner. The leftovers will be perfect for some quick and easy meals. We also have a honeydew melon waiting to be sliced, some feta cheese, and some fresh lettuce to be tossed into salads. We have tons of lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers in the garden, so we will definitely have a lot of salads this week. Now let's tackle the produce drawer. I have apples in the fruit drawer, and I had to get rid of an old lemon and some ginger that had seen better days. I have a lot of great veggies in the vegetable drawer, like green beans, dragon's tongue beans, onions, cucumbers, squash, peppers, and celery. I think I'll make zucchini bread and use the beans as a side dish. I will add the celery to the pot pie. The onions and peppers can be used in so many different ways. So here's the game plan: egg salad, pot pie, leftovers, hummus, grilled cheese, and a bunch of salads. I'll just need to pick up eggs, yogurt, cottage cheese, and sour cream. Everything else is already in my fridge or freezer, giving me lots of flexibility with this week's grocery budget. Before you hit the grocery store this week, take a few minutes to clean out your fridge. See what meals you can whip up with what you already have. Drop a comment below and share your fridge finds with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips and homemaking hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Spendwise Moms.